CX Automatic 2 sides flat bottle and round bottle stickers labeling machine. Machine is designed for stickers labeling, suitable for both flat bottles and round bottles. Two labeling heads are separately controlled and adjusted. Can be applied for paper sticker labels, plastic sticker labels and transparent sticker labels. Machine can do flat bottles front and back 2 sides labeling at the same time. Can do round bottles whole body labeling, also front and back 2 stickers labeling. Servo motor drive the labeling head, high speed and high labeling accuracy. Perfect performance and efficient in the sticker labeling process. Angle adjusting device of the labeling head. Round bottles labeling devices. The operating language on the touch screen can be written into your national language. Demo of flat bottles 2 sides labeling. Advanced design, fully stainless steel machine body, beautiful and durable. Machine is easy to adjust, suitable for different sizes of bottle. World-famous electric accessories and pneumatic accessories. Demo of round bottles labeling. CE certificate and meet the GMP standard. 2 years warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching and please feel free to contact us for machines further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.